Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Slack for project channels, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the Slack website URL. Press enter to navigate to the Slack homepage. Locate the sign in button on the upper right corner. Click on the sign in button. You will be prompted to enter your workspace URL. Type in your workspace URL and press enter. Next, input your email address associated with your Slack account. Click on the Continue button. You will receive an email from Slack to verify your identity. Open your email inbox and find the email from Slack. Click on the verification link in the email. You will be redirected back to the Slack login page. Now, enter your password in the designated field. Click on the Sign In button again after entering your password. Once logged in, you will see your workspace dashboard. Look for the project channels listed on the left side of the screen. Click on the channel you want to join or check. If prompted, you may need to verify your membership. Now you are ready to start collaborating in your project channel. Explore the features available to engage with your team effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.